Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my ATLAB tutor. Now I am going to start my ATLAB Excel 4A and 4B simulation exams. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me. I have done this exam many times for my many students. Okay, you can see here. Our first question is click into cell A2 on the insert tab in the table groups. Click recommended pivot table. In the recommended pivot table, scroll down and then click the fifth pivot table sum of number. Now I am going to insert a pivot table. Here is our pivot table. Insert recommended pivot table, and the fifth one is here sum of, and the scroll down and then click the fifth pivot table sum of number by location. Sum of number by location. Sum of number by location is here. Fifth one. Okay, I have done. I have done this exam many times. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Okay. In the pivot table field in the row area, point the fire police and then drag the file named upward into the file. Now, in the pivot field pane in the row area, point the fire police. Row. And drag the field name to upward to the filter above. Row area field pane in the pivot table field in the row area, point to the file and then drag the field name to here. You can see and drag the field name in upward the filter area above into the filter area above. Why it's happening? Point the fire police in the row area. Okay. Select the classification field. Checkbox so it's display in the row area. Select the classification field. Okay. Click in A5. Expand the entire field. And then expand the entire field. Okay. Click into cell A5 and expand the entire field. Okay, you can see here I'm going to click into cell A5. If you need the help, I go
Right click cell
A5. Click into cell A5. You can see here practices. Here is
right click cell
A5 and expand collapse. Okay, sure. Click into cell A5 and expand or collapse the tire field. Okay, click into cell A5 and expand the entire field. Expand entire field. Okay. In the pivot table field pane from the field section, drag the month field to down the column area. Okay. In the pivot field pane, the field section, drag the month field. Now I am going to drag the month field down the column area. Okay, have done. On the design tab, pivot style group, click more, and then under medium in the second row, click the fourth style. Okay, in the design tab. Here our design tab. Under the medium, here is medium. More under the medium in the second row, click the fourth column. Here is our second row. Here is the fourth column. Okay, and close the field task pane. Okay, have done this question. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. On the analyze tab in the filter group, click the insert a slicer. Now I'm going to insert a slicer. Here I'm going to for the inserting a slicer. Here is our slicer. Slicer forward. Select the fire police checkbox and then click OK. Here is fire police box and then click OK. Only need to insert a one slicer. Here is fire police. Change the fire police box slider right under dark. Click the second style. Now I am going to change the style for the slicer under dark second color. Okay, you can see here I change the color style for the slicer. Use the fire police slicer to the filter the data so that only fire card display. Filter this data. Now I'm going to use the I'm going to filter the data for the fire pre-slicer. That only fire cards are displayed. I'm going to filter the slicer for the fire priest and the only fires call are displayed. Here I think I need to go filter for the slicer with the fire priest. Display only fire only police. Okay. Insert a slider for the classification field. Slicer position will automate. Now I'm going to insert a slicer for classification field. Here insert slicer classification. Okay. Use the classification slicer to filter the data so that only emergency medical are displayed. Emergency medical are displayed. Okay. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students with 100% grades. Okay, I'm always available here. It's a Excel 4 if fire police. Okay. On the sheet 1 worksheet, clear the filter from the classification slicer and from the fire police. Now I'm going to clear the filter from the classification on the sheet 1. Here is our sheet 1. Clear the filter from the classification slicer. Now I'm going to clear the filter from the classification slicer. No, I clear the filter and from the police fire. Clear the filter for okay. Remove the slicer from the worksheet. Now I'm going to remove the slicer from the worksheet. Remove the fire police slicer and remove the classification slicer. Okay, I have done. Click in cell A1 and then display the pivot table field pane. Here is cell A1. Display the pivot table field pane in the field section. Click cell A1 and display the pivot table field pane in the field section. In the field section, point location and then or right click on the location arrow and then okay, click into cell A1, then the display the pivot table field pane in the field section, point to the location and then on the right. This one is display the pivot field pane. Pivot field pane. Okay. In the feed section, point to the location and then the right click to the location arrow. Click the location arrow and click the search box. Type citation 3T and then click OK. Click the location arrow. Click in the search box. Now I'm going to do the search box. Click into search box. Okay, you can see in this practice there is some error.
Click
Click
cell
cell
A1
A1
and
A1.
then
then
click the
click the
Pivot
Pivot
Table
Table
Tools
Tools
Analyze
Analyze
tab.
tab.
In the
In the
Show
Show
group,
group,
click
click
Field
Field
List.
List.
Okay.
In the
In the
Pivot
Pivot
Table
Table
Fields
Fields
pane,
pane,
in the
in the
Field
Field
section,
section,
point to
point
the
to the
Location
Location
field
field
and
and
then
then
click
click
the
the
arrow.
arrow.
In the
In the
menu,
menu,
click in
click
the
in the
search
search
box
box
and
and
type
type
Station
Station
3.
3.
In the pivot table field pane, in the field location, set the located field in the click the arrow. Uh, okay, have done. Now I'm going for move the next step. On the sheet 1 worksheet, remove the month field from the column. Remove the month field from the column area and pivot field. Now I'm going to remove the month field from the column area. Here I'm going to remove the month field. Okay, drag the classification field to the column area. Now I'm going to drag the classification field to the column area. Now drag the classification field to the here I am going to drag the classification field to the column area. You can see here I am going to drag the classification field to the column area. Okay, I have done. On the sheet 1 worksheet, show the detail for the cell E35. Here is the on the sheet 1. Here is sheet 1 and show the detail for the cell E15. E15. Now I'm going to show the detail for E15.
Right-click cell
Raksha.
E15 and from the shortcut
Now I am
menu,
going
click
to
Show
show the
Detail.
detail in cell E15. Right click on the cell E15. You can see here. Now I'm going to show the detail. Here is our value for E15. Show detail. It's very simple. Okay. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I'm always available here. Here is our cell E15. Show detail. Okay. On the sheet 3 within the table selected, use quick analysis to apply the data bar to the table. On the sheet 3 with the table selected, use quick analysis to apply the data bar to the table. On the sheet 3 with the table selected, here the sheet is quick analysis tool to play the data bar. Now I'm going to play the quick analysis tool. Here is the data bar. Okay, rename the sheet 3 as the major crimes. Here I'm going to rename the major crime for the sheet 3. Copy, rename. Okay, I have done. Now I'm going to move the next question. Rename the sheet 1 as combined called pivots. Now I'm going to copy this one. Rename the sheet 1. Okay. On the combined worksheet, click cell A1 and analyze pivot group. Click the option arrow and then click show report filter pages. Okay. On the combined, here is combined into click cell A1. On the analyze tab in the pivot table group, click the option arrow. Analyze group, pivot table group, click option arrow. No, I am going to click the option arrow. Here is where is our option arrow. Here is our option arrow. Show the report filter pages. Click show the report for the filter pages. Okay, and okay. I have done. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students. On the combined call pivot table worksheet, modify the value field setting to calculate the averages. On the combined call pivot table worksheet, modify the value field setting to the calculate on the. Here is our combined call worksheet and modify the values, calculate the averages. Field setting, averages. Okay, I have done. If you need this solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. In cell A1 type in cell A3 type averages number of calls. How to fit the weight of the column A? Okay, I have done. Display the previous sheet. On the design tab in the pivot table group, display the pivot style gallery and then under medium. Now I'm going to, here is our design tab. Under medium group, then medium first row. Here is our second style. Okay, change the pivot number format, then apply 0 decimal place it and 100 format. Change the pivot number format by 0 decimal. Value field setting. Here is our number format is 0 decimal and selecting the 1000 separators. Okay, change the pivot table and place the 100 separators and then apply 0 decimal places. Okay, I have done. Now I'm going for the next question. On the fire police call worksheet, change the value in E3 to, here is our fire worksheet, change the value in E3 to 8. Sorry, change the value in cell E3 to 8. 824. On the fire and police call worksheet, fire and police worksheet E3. It's E11 type 778. 778. Display the combined called pivot worksheet on the analyze tab in the data group. Click the refresh arrow. Okay, combined called pivot worksheet on the analyze group. Click the refresh arrow. Okay, if you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for many students. On the combined call pivot table worksheet, click cell in A1. On the analysis tab in the tool group, click the pivot chart with the cluster column selected. Click OK. On the combined call pivot worksheet, click cell A1. On the analyze tab in the tool group, click pivot chart. OK. Pivot worksheet cell, click A1. On the analyze tab in the tools group, click pivot chart with the cluster column chart. Okay, now I'm going to do this step on the combined chart. Combined call pivot table worksheet, click in cell A1. On the analyze tab in the tool group, click pivot chart with cluster column chart. Okay, now I'm going to insert a pivot chart with cluster column chart. Here is our pivot chart. Move the pivot table. Pivot chart with cluster column chart. Okay. Move the chart to new chart sheet name first quarter. Now I'm going to move the just chart to new sheet. Move chart to new sheet name is okay. Apply the layout 1 to the chart. Now I'm going to apply the layout 1 to the chart. Okay, apply the chart style 14. Now I'm going to apply the chart for here is our chart style 14. Change the chart at first quarter cost. Now I'm going to change the title for the chart first quarters. And do not okay change this. Now I'm going to change the title for the chart. First, okay, I applied the title for the chart. On the first quarter chart worksheet, filter the pivot chart so that only police call are displayed on the first quarter chart sheet. Now I'm going to filter the pivot so that only police calls are displayed. Then modify the classification filter and then display the calls are not displayed on the chart. Okay. For this, I'm going to the practice session. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email.
In the upper left corner of the chart, click the first quarter fire and police.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going to click the upper left corner of the chart. Here is the upper left corner and select multiplier. Okay. Where it's showing error.
In the upper left corner of the chart, click the first
Select multiple item.
Click to clear the all checkbox in the filter list to deselect all items.
Okay. Word showing error. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I am available here. On the first quarter chart worksheet, filter the pivot chart so that only police calls are displayed. Then modify the classification filter to the dispatch call are not displayed. Okay. On the first quarter chart, filter the pivot chart so that only the charts are displayed. Then the modify the classification filter so the dispatch code are not displayed. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I'm always available here. Okay, on the first quarter chart worksheet, filter the pivot chart so the only police cars are displayed. Here only police. Okay, okay, I have done. In the sheet tab area, resize the horizontal scroll bar and display the 7th worksheet tab. Okay, in the sheet tab area, resize the horizontal scroll bar. Okay, you can see here. I am going to show the practice session in this for this question. I have done this exam for many times.
To the right of the sheet tabs,
Here is
at
the
the
sheet
left
tab.
end of the scroll bar, point to the 3 vertical
Okay,
dots
it's
to
very
display the
simple.
double-headed
Okay, it's
pointer,
simple.
and then drag
It's
to the
asking in the
right to decrease
sheet
the
tab
width
area
of the
resize the
scroll.
horizontal scroll bar display no all 7 sheets. Here you can see I shown all sheet tab in the box. Okay, slicer, major crime, fire, police, third quarter, combined call, pivot fire. No, you can see here move the combined chart pivot sheet tab at the left, so it's the first. Okay, combined chart called left is the first sheet. Okay, hide the fire and police call worksheet. Fire and the police call. Fire, hide, hide the fire and police call worksheet. Acha, okay, sorry, fire and police call. Okay, if you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students. Okay, you can see here I am doing this with correctly and with 100% grade. Okay, thank you so much. I am always available here. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, thank you so much.